Welcome back everybody, Jordan Nelson here. Do you want to be a filmmaker, a YouTuber, do corporate or promotional videos, music videos? My advice to you is to start shooting weddings now. Let me explain why. Now think of some big name YouTubers. I'm thinking Peter McKinnon type people that are very video creator focused. And I'd be willing to bet a big chunk of them have done wedding videography in the past. So here are a few reasons why it's a good idea to start out your video career shooting weddings. So number one, it's just the experience and the learning and the training that you get. You learn your camera, your audio equipment, lighting, your video editing software, and how to use it all very quickly. You need to be able to do it on the fly. So then when you start to branch out into other forms of video, you don't have to be thinking about that stuff as much. You're already proficient enough from doing weddings that you've been able to do it really fast. And now, and maybe if you're doing a promotional video, you can actually take your time with it. With this experience, you also learn how to tell a story and how to deal with people and how to put something together. So doing weddings will give you a really good foundation underneath to be able to build off of as you branch out in your video career. Now, reason number two is that money. Now, being a videographer can get pretty expensive, but the wedding videography industry can be pretty lucrative if you do a good job. Wedding videography is a great avenue to make some money up front here so you can purchase more equipment, better equipment, so you can make some more high quality videos and films, and then you can carry that stuff into what you're going to be doing next. Maybe promotional videos or music videos or filmmaking, because you've been able to upgrade through wedding videography. So if you haven't started yet, you might just want to start for free, get one or two under your belt, and then you can start charging a little bit and then a little bit more, and then grow to be able to afford some better cameras and equipment so you can charge even more, and that can set you up really nicely for the future. I started shooting weddings with my Canon T6i. It's definitely not a professional camera by any means, and I was able to upgrade to the Sony a7 III after only shooting 5 weddings. And now I can use the Sony a7 III on pretty much any project I'd ever want to shoot. And then reason number 3, exposure. If people see your quality work in the wedding industry, it gives you an easy in to be able to branch out into those other forms of video, whether it be corporate, music video, short filmmaking, documentaries, YouTube, anything like that. So from starting in wedding videography, I've gotten to make a few music videos, a couple corporate videos, and even for my full-time marketing job that I have now, one of the reasons that they hired me is because I had video and photo skills on the front end, and I've gotten to actually use that within the course of my job. So it's a really valuable skill to have, even if you're not going to go strictly into videography, but even just other areas of work. It is truly a very valuable skill to have. So wedding videography can be a huge door opener if you have a passion for the video and filmmaking industry. Thanks so much for watching. If that video was helpful, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right over there. I'm getting really close to 1,000, so that'd be very much appreciated. Also have tutorials up there in the playlist, and one example of those videos is down below if you don't want to go through the whole playlist. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. See you in the next video.